piece of rain and rain. Wicked. Yeah, rain. The pot soon reach, you know. Big goal eye. And I rain. Down the cook spratting in I rain.
Rain catch.
Hold it over there. Hot like a. This is how we catch out of the pot here, you know. Big. Behave no? Welcome to the channel, Me and Bad Boy Young Champ TV out here.
Yeah man, baddest thing.
Body so, soft like a butter. Alright, we see sprat them in the river, so we set the net and go draw some pot and come in. So we catch your adventure. See me? Big up. Remember like, share and subscribe. You know say action we deal with, ever carry the best too, you know. You know say a life with Kemar this. Big up on yourself. So we set off the net across the river you know, so I out to see where I head now. No catch up on the action. See we have a jelly there, island style. And we have a machete, juice and something. So we out there. I go and do it. Now stay tuned. Reach on the first spot. See over there so. Uncle Rema wheeling in line. We don't get no bite yet, so stay tuned. Guys, we woke up on an obstacle. The pot stuck between rocks down and the deep. So we are trying to pull it out. Tie the rope on the seat and try to pull it in all different directions. And see if we can get it pulled. So stay tuned. Well, finally
get him up.
Yeah man, we are take you up now. Make sure fishing at this. Some yellow yeah in this big like a monster. Sure. I get the reward. Stay tuned. Yeah man, the pot finally that both side. So a nice group of them in there. And one big goal eye. And down the coal. You can see it. Gear length. Cause you know none. Alright, so we're gonna stay tuned. The goal eye there one next monster. I'll show them when we take them out. So we just take them out of the pot here. These are the biggest one. Big. Behave no? Sure.
Sure them.
And a nice grouper. And pound size grouper. I want to tell you that one your name. You look like it's a family of grouper and butterfish. I want to tell you what your name. And you know already, we give that one your name Nyaman Stay or Silver Snapper. You can also tell me this in a comment. But see me boy, man. See me? It's a lovely snapper. I remember, you know. Remember, say. Come here, where are you? How are you?
Really afraid them.
Remember, you know, one life with Kemar. See there? You know, like, share, and subscribe. I remember touch the notification bell. Outside. Booking at them outside. Yeah man, how with that? Just throw off the pot. So Uncle Rema straightening. We know it's soft already, so we have to have patience with him. Uncle Softy.
Soft like butter and milk, you know.
Soon reach, you know. Half. Why don't you put you off, you know? Sure. Big up Young Champ TV. Go over there, go subscribe to the channel. When you come now. One team, you know. I know life with Kemar right. You see how me tie up my head? Because I don't have no hat to them, forget me hat. Uncle him no remind me. He start suck bone. You see how hard we are draw them pot here, guys? I hope reward down there.
Yeah. I must muscle alone.
Alright, big up on yourself, on stay tuned. So I go on my pot there, guys. And that go on my pot.
Load right out.
Load out. See them now? About 4 fish catching now. I go show you now when you come on it. This is how we catch out of the pot here. You know, go on so good, but we catch on 1 lobster. Easy. 1 lionfish and 2 small goalie. Yeah man, Uncle tell the pot to come back with fish. He come back with fish, you know, we give thanks. But we have got to start till if we come back with more fish.
Many more.
Alright.
Remember, no bone.
No sup, no bone. Over there. Hot like a drops, father. Alright, I'm gonna stay tuned. I go pump in my rod now, cause while me a child I come to go chop off a pot, me have my line out there. So I go and watch me. Hope me catch something for now. You know that's it for look at a marlin and I want tuna.
Action.
Fully action. Make your rod wheel ball out, you see? We use it best rod them. Penny wheel, it's a pen 10,500. Yeah man. Spin fisher. I'm use a ugly stick, medium heavy. 8 foot. Yeah man, at this do badness. So you can check it out. And we also have some small rod we sell, you know. We have some small fishing rod we sell. And some lure. So you stay tuned. You don't get no bite. Uncle bait not giving no bite yet. You know, lame, you know. I just for now. So one of my favorite. I don't know my favorite still. See it there? The dopey maker. Or Mowgli. Stay tuned. From there they appear cloud and thunderstorm at even time. Take your time, mind drop man. Appear cloud and thunderstorm at even time. Now around 11:30. But in the evening we have a lot of rain up in the valley. I don't want to see what I go on because this is another pot. What that? You afraid? This
Right,
is
okay. See, I wonder what go on.
so nice. Go like another one here and not much still, but you know. Take it up on the boat, you know. Cause Uncle Softy. So he can't do it by himself, so I go help him. Broke yarn. About a man. Extremely soft. Uncle come. Broke yarn. Drop your end. See you soft, man. You see it, you know. Wait, hold it right there, so. Over there. Yeah, man. See, a few of them there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 2 crab. 6 of them. Count it again. Count it again. Guys, you don't count it for yourself. Alright. We need to go back to school. Outside. So we'll be at the pot already. Over there we go. Hear thunder there. Thunder, one nice piece of rain up there, so. So we're catching a pot there. So nice bowl eye. Uncle full up the boat of water and a bail out. But there's a nice thunderstorm up there, so lightning, a lot of lightning a strike and rain a fall. See there? Yeah man, so we're gonna stay tuned. go overboard. Come back with more fish. I want to say more, we mean more.
Many more.
Alright. Alright, we now stay tuned. We're going to chop a jelly now. Welcome again. Water with style. I wash off the jelly because little raw water on him. So I chop the jelly now. All the mash get swivel.
Jelly I see.
Yeah man, we both see man. If you want to enjoy them here, all you have to do, I eat in a comment. We can come to Jamaica and we can tour around the place at a price. I enjoy the island. Watch out, see there?
Jelly specialist.
Yeah man. You go like this and you cut it out. See there? Jelly ready for drink. You know sweet?
Sweet and nice.
Cool
better.
I feel like I drink the next one. Nice bud.
No different for long. Next time.
Yeah man, see there? In my hand I do everything. See there? Jelly meat.
No bone, you know.
Look, we used to eat it like how ugly and eat him. And push your head in and go, sir. Nice. Welcome to Jamaica. Remember, like the video if you don't like it. Like up the video. Jump in a comment. Tell if you want experience something. Nice, no? But like, let me flash.
See that? You get forward face.
Like, let me flash. Wicked. I'm sorry I couldn't show you. See rain come down there? They're closer now. Stay tuned. Look there guys. A piece of rain a come. I want to go in before because I hold up a light and a flash and thing. Yeah man. And yesterday I drive my truck. I'm going to go for deliver some jelly. Lightning strike the truck. Yeah man. Soon start doing some trucking content too, you know. That's me, he's a truck driver. Yeah man, a regular truck driver. Hot. What a sweet. But boy, piece of clouded thick. And the rain finally reached it. Rain. Wicked. Yeah man, a rain there upon rain there upon rain. Rain there upon rain.
Rain reach. They're good people. Either babes I don't know what's happening and nothing with the rain already, you know. It's fully cloaked up.
Easy visit, right now you have flow.
Still there.
Uncle Softy, and Uncle Herman, Uncle Softy.
Tough like iron still. I get up the pattern now guys, it reach close, so we'll just stay tuned. Rain there.
Rain, we in our water, rain.
Sit down in our place.
Rain and lightning. Nice piece of weather coming up. Dark, you know. Lightning there. Look at that. Dark. Dark, guys. This a pot, yeah? A 2 fish look I can catch tonight. Easy up. Go give me. 2 fish. See that? 2 only. Well, he could not catch none. Right now, you know, I depend on the sprat net inside. So right now, what me just go round up the sprat net quick and fast. Even though the weather did it, I run up the sprat net. I take out them 2 fisher and run in on the sprat net.
Alone can see it.
And we are going now, pure lightning and thunder, so we are hurry up and going and go drop the net fast. Yeah man, no, stay tuned. Yeah man, we are dry sprat in the rain. Sprat in the rain.
Real catch.
Whole heap of sprat, you know. Good catch. And we have to go pick them off. Fast. Yeah man, a lot of sprat. Yeah man. Why I want to hurry up because the line in them are like wicked. Yeah man. So no catch we. I pick them off. Because the rain day upon we are trying to hurry up and help Uncle Worm. What make me gear go bro my yacht? Alright, come here, we have some more right. Yeah man, this is how we catch in a net. I roughly about 10 pound of sprat.
Yeah,
Rush it and throw them out. See? About pound and a half left in there. I'm mad man, you know. Yeah man, throw them out, you see them. Quite a few of them. Good catch, so I just pack up and go in and well, not go in, but go home, you know. Rain a fall and a mash up. So, you know, stay tuned for the next epic adventure. Jano, a pure lightning, and more lightning and thunderstorm out there, so I have to give thanks. Uncle Rema take up in fat boy there.
Big old goalie.
Nice goal line.